What is up, YouTube? Hope you're doing well. Hey, I got a video that's gonna save you a few bucks, so check this out. So, got some brand new lures, but the problem is the little rubber bands on here, these lures are pretty old, so the rubber bands are dry rotted. And I mean, you know, you buy a jig, $4 or $5, a spinnerbait, $6 to $8, and it absolutely sucks when Father Time just kind of rots away the rubber band that holds the skirt on. But I'm gonna show you something that I've done for years that works really well. So go down to your hardware store, buy you some zip ties. You gotta get the small ones. And what you wanna do, I've never done this in there, I usually do it in my lap, so hopefully I don't screw it up too bad. So get your skirt exactly where you want it. This one's where I want it. Like what I'm talking about, like where it looks good, it looks natural. But anyways, get this zip tie, put it around this rubber band right here. And it's important you get the zip tie on the rubber band, because you're gonna grab the zip tie kind of where it goes together and you're gonna pull the snot out of it. You're gonna pull it hard. Now you don't want the skirt to pull down, because once you cinch it with a zip tie, that baby's gonna stay in place forever. And the only next thing you need to do is get you a pair of little electrical dikes. I got these out of my work truck. Cut off that zip tie, and where it zipped together, just kind of, I'm gonna just say form it in, just kind of make it run up and down on the spinnerbait. Now this spinnerbait is ready to go fish, and I've got some jigs that are 20 years old with the original skirt, but by doing that little zip tie trick I just showed you, it's on there forever. So let's do another one. So check it out, got a jig right here. This is a brand new jig I bought probably 8 or 9 years ago. Oops, it helps if I grab the right zip tie that I didn't just cut. But all you do, get the jig hairs just like how you want them. So I'm gonna trim this with some scissors after I finish it, but cause this rubber band's pretty rotten right here. I don't wanna take a chance on breaking it. I wish the GoPro would pick up how bad this is, but maybe once I get my good video camera, that won't be a problem. I know it's not gonna be a problem then, but anyways, look here. Hold it, jig in place. Now it might take you a couple times to practice, but we're just gonna pull it tight. And I always keep where it cinches together on the back side. It doesn't matter if it's a jig, spinnerbait, or buzzbait, but hold it where it zip ties down, pull the snot out of it. That baby ain't going nowhere. One more, I got one more, that way just in case y'all are not getting the hang of it. So got this spinnerbait, brand new skirt. I'm just gonna kind of shake it and get the little skirts to go on the right side that they're supposed to. That's kind of another important thing. Don't want to have them all crisscross. Ooh, do not break. I thought this rubber band's worse than the other one. This skirt's probably 8 or 9 years old. It's an old one, but let's try it right there. And it's okay if you accidentally get the skirt kind of flip-flopped around, it don't really matter. As long as you got the bulk of them on the right side that they're supposed to go on, you're good. And just kind of take your time with it. Cinch it down. See, I got some that are on the wrong side, but we're gonna just take our time, pull it back. Make sure this is where I want it, get it around the rubber band. Just like that, kind of line it up. And the cool thing about the zip tie is it doesn't affect the performance of the bait, so it still runs true and everything. And if something happens, when you do catch a fish on it and it knocks it, all you gotta do is just twist it to whatever side you need it to go on. But guys, that has saved me tons of money, and I'll know it'll do the same for you. But anyways, if you happen to be brand new here, give us a thumbs up if you found any value in today's video. I've got all kinds of cool videos on the channel. I'm just a fishing nerd, guys, so I'm sharing it with you guys. But I'd love to have your support here. Subscribe. Y'all keep God first in your life. We'll see you on the water. Take care.